10-inch props because I snapped the tri-blades already.
Oh, go ahead.
Can you see it?
Almost, I don't know.
Hey?
Oh yeah, I can see it. It's like a little plane. It's like a little plane going down. You can see how.
Ready? I'm gonna go. Can you see it?
Yep,
No, you don't.
I do.
Can you still see it?
Yep. Still can. Those rollerblades, they're very delicate. Yeah, them tri-blades. And you put a lot of
Can you
scratch.
still see it?
Wait. Yep. Now I can. So good at flying, aren't ya?
Oh, you're getting there. Right, I'm gonna go really high again.
Where are you? Hold on.
You got it?
Hold on.
You ready? Can you see it? What's up? Have you got it?
Almost. Yep, I got it.
Come out. 1, 2, 3. Can you see that little dot in the sky?
Yeah, I think so. Yep, I can see it. I think you might not want to go so high.
Why not?
Because if it runs out of...
High, look. Whoa!
Because if it goes out of battery and it falls down, it'll break.
That.
Oh, why?
Can you see it still?
Yeah.
That's only a little bit. Go a bit higher.
Okay, can you go down now?
Down.
Oh, see it now.
See that bird? I nearly got the bird.
Try and chase after a bird. Hey! You driving crazy, huh?
Huh?
Yeah. From Mate Bros. Friends activities. The next show we're doing is a boat. Oh my god. And it's going to be on the second show. I don't even know what that is. I can't see the quadcopter. Where is it?
Over there, up there, look.
Where? Oh, there it is. Land that.
Oh, shit. Oh, not again.
What?
Turn it off.
I want to see.
Far out. Look. Just having all the fun. And look! Another arm!
Good on ya.
Ah, man.
Now can we look at the dog thing?
Yep.
Yay.
I'm glad you're having a lot of fun.
Yay. Okay.